What are you doing? You didn't like that spot on the wall?
Mia. Mia.
What are you reaching for, Mia?